So we're now going to be removing this drawer, which holds our extra freezer and fridge and it's additional storage, and we're going to cut it in half. Do we need to remove anything out of the way?
Well, I'm just trying to figure that out.
It's a big door. Reason we want to cut the door in half because right now, when you open the door,
Bangs into everything.
yeah, let me just bring the camera over.
Here.
Oh, the camera runs so much smoother on this floor. So right now the door hits the pantry and doesn't open all the way. See that gap? And then we're gonna have additional counter.
Which is why the door has this decorative curved scratch on it.
We call them love marks.
So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo this hinge here because I actually don't need to measure to that edge.
We're gonna cut the door where then once it's cut in half, you can actually open it like this rather than one big door.
And
It'll make things
I'm
easier.
gonna take the handles and the accoutrement off.
Jizz.
Yes. Because unlike some manufacturers, I use Robertson head screws pretty much for everything. So I don't have to be f***ing around with a million different screws. I'm going to bring this out into the, just as is. Okay. This is a heavy bucket. It's big.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was not so much heavy, but more awkward to carry out because it's actually two boards that Rob joined together to make a really tall, like a 12-foot door. We're gonna take a break, come back, and then we're gonna cut the door in half and pray that everything will be fine.
Okay, so now that the door has been cut in half for the pantry area, I'm going to sort of prep it now for when we're ready to laminate. So I'm going to give it a sanding, sand the edge, clean up any holes or things that might telegraph through the laminate, and then we're ready to laminate when we get the stuff. time to put some urethane on this edge, and then these doors will be ready to laminate. Okie dokie, it's done. It's quick drying. I'll probably put another coat or two on and then it'll be ready to rehang. Oh, after it's laminated.
Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we finished putting together our island in preparation to have the new counter installed. Today, we are going to bring our living room back, which we're dying to do because we've lost a place to actually sit and relax while we eat and just chat for a bit. So going to first start off with sweeping the floor, mopping it, getting it ready, and then we'll start putting it back and actually maybe have lunch sitting down for a change. Rob is just out getting some lamination to do to use for the refacing for our cabinets in the kitchen. And while he's doing that, I'm going to start sweeping and mopping so that when he gets here, we can start doing this thing. Rob's here with the lamination.
Yes! I'm here with the laminate. The lamination will take place soon.
There's 6 sheets.
6 sheets.
Okay.
Yep, I count 6. More if necessary.
I don't know if we can see the texture on camera. Probably not. It's a bit of a wood grain texture. Okay.
Cool.
All right, I'm gonna go back cleaning the floor.
When do we eat?
Do you want to eat now?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Rob.
Hey!
How are you? We're gonna start putting our living room back together now.
Yep.
First thing, let's get the carpet.
First thing, let's move the couch out of our way so when we come in with the carpet, we can lay it down.
Sounds good. Oh, by the way, if you guys hear noises that is out of our control, there's an air show happening this weekend and they're practicing today. So you're gonna hear a lot of plane noises. Fun times.
Set down the roller.
Once I trim the tree, then I'll have more space to push these in closer. Right now, I'm going to branches trimming and give these connected. Living room is in place. And Rob and I were sweating buckets because it's so humid.
Okay, so one of the last things that we need to do for the island here is to put on the, what are these things? The kick plates, like the little thing that goes around the bottom. So I've got these here. 4 Barata or whatever the heck they are. And I'm going to figure out the instructions, see what the little man says I have to do, and then get these on, and then the island will be ready for the final installation of the countertop. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
And we need
You have to be on the floor.
And you need those little clips.
Yeah, but we have a problem.
Oh. Don't tell me it's too short. Oh, you're kidding me. There's little circular.
There's the clips. These
that'll
guys.
determine how far out it needs to be.
Is this doing anything?
It's recording.
I know that, but is it accomplishing anything?
No, that's why I was saying it may need to be on the ground. So, what Rob is saying, or encountering, is that we put in... Come on, focus.
This whole...
We put in that because we were having issues with the 2x4s they sent, but now the kick plate isn't quite fitting, but these things will determine how far out the kick plate needs to be. So why don't we put one of these on and see where the kick plate actually sits.
So we need 1, 2... Once again, their bloody mystery game. Wow! My God, they're just fucking consistently confusing. Okay, so
Get this out of your shoulder.
So I think this needs to be out here. Okay, so that went in. So now you see I've cut this around here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gap.
Hmm?
Gap.
Yeah. What the fuck is this about? That's weird.
So we just
We have done
realized...
everything wrong.
In all our frustration, we just realized we don't need these side kick plates.
Because we're doing the waterfall.
We're doing waterfall counter. Where's my finger? Over there. The only kick plate we need are just along here. Because that'll be the exposed part. It's either that or delirium.
You're like, oh, we don't need to worry about it. The waterfall will cover it.
Well,
It's like,
Rob was standing here getting ready to cut, and he's like, man, that looks like...
Because you can see the little black light.
Yeah.
I mean, truly, if you were trying to do this for real, this looks like shit. This system is not good.
Well, when you said, that looks like and I looked at it, I'm like, but wait, oh no, wait, we're getting waterfall. Today's a day for refacing with really terrible noise outside. That wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
There's an air show happening.
There's an air show happening in our backyard today, so.
So sound is gonna be really terrible today while we're recording, but it's out of our control.
Yeah. Meanwhile, time to reface the cabinets. We have the laminate.
Yeah.
We've done a test one. Looks good. We're
Yeah.
figuring out the process. So what we're gonna do first is take down all the upper cabinets and take the handles off of them so that we can take them outside, fill the little holes, give them a quick sanding. And then Nadia's gonna bring them in. Oh, then I'm gonna cut the laminate to size. Then, or actually a bit oversized. We'll bring them back in. Nadia will glue them up. And then once they're glued, I'll take them back outside, router the edges,
Yeah.
and it looks good.
We're going to be dividing and conquering very well
Yes.
today. We have the method organized.
We would love to get this done in quick order.
Yeah, so I don't know how much recording we'll actually get done today, but we'll definitely show you some of the process.
Yeah.
While there's lots of noise.
Yeah.
Okay.
So don't listen. We'll start by numbering all the cabinets first so that when we go to put them back up, we know what goes where and we don't have to guess.
You didn't want to play the guessing game?
No.
Okay.
And since I'm going to be working with power tools,
Kids, don't try this at home.
I will be drinking beer. It's a tradition.
It's a tradition. I won't be. Okay.
Count your fingers before you start, then count them again when you're done.